about the importance of data-informed decision-making, I'm curious what comes to mind for you all as you're taking this course. I know the perspective is different depending on which position you're in, right? As a teacher, it kind of felt a little bit different than when you're an administrator. So let's talk a little bit about what the importance is. So first, we're going to say that it aids in informed decision-making, student assessment, and program evaluation. So important to have that data available so that you are able to actually make those informed decisions. It's also crucial for accountability, and we got to use that word very lightly because we got to be careful with that. We'll talk more about that later. Fostering equity and continuous improvement, of course, we want to make sure that we have the data to show that we are making the growth that we'd like. And then, of course, it enables effective communication with stakeholders, which is so key when you are working in a school. It's important that everyone knows what's going on and that we are giving our best to the students because they deserve it. So first, let's think about data cycles. So what comes to mind when you think about a data cycle? For some of us, it might be PDSA, Plan, Do, Study, Act. Then we have database inquiry. For a second, I question if it's PSDA, but I'm pretty sure it's PDSA. Lots of acronyms in education, right? Short cycle improvement, PLC cycle, improvement cycle. You may have heard of DataWise from Harvard, teaching and learning cycle, improvement planning. All of these are different words that basically mean the same thing. And it means that we're looking at data in a speculative way. So if we're thinking about that data cycle, most cases, you could pretty much take all those different cycles that we talked about and look at them with three main steps. You have the collect step, the analyze step, and then the act step. Some of them start at different points. So there are times when you are collecting first, there are times when you are acting first, but remember that it's cyclical. So no matter what, we are going around in that cycle over and over again and trying to make sure that we are making decisions that are best for our students. And